As indicated by the most recent long-haul conjecture, torrential slide cost will hit $25 toward the finish of 2023 and afterward $50 by the center of 2027. Torrential slide will ascend to $75 inside the extended time of 2033. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 to 2024. Torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $17.16. So the cost expanded by 58% from the outset of the year. The anticipated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $31.16, and the year-to-year change plus 187%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 82%. In 2023, we hope to see $21.49 per one torrential slide. In the principal half of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $32.98. In the final part, the cost would add $2.27 and close the year at $35.25, which is plus 105% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Wednesday, blemish $15.17. Thursday, blemish $16.24. Friday, blemish $17.28. Saturday, blemish $18.32. Sunday, blemish $19.36. Monday, blemish $20.40. Tuesday, blemish $21.44. Wednesday, blemish $22.48. April 15 $18.44. May 15 $19.65. June 15 $20.89. July 15 $22.28. August 15 $23.91. Torrential slide forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $35.25 to $57.93, which is up 64%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $35.25, then, at that point, dip to $31.71 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $36.47. That implies plus 113% from today. Torrential slide forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the torrential slide cost would ascend from $57.93 to $83.42, which is plus 44%. Torrential slide will begin 2030 at $57.93, then, at that point, take off to $61.41 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $64.86. It is about plus 278% from today. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 to 2024. Torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $18.07. So the cost expanded by 67% from the start of the year. The gauge torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $20.97, and the year-to-year change plus 93%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 16%. In 2023, we hope to see $18.90 per one torrential slide. In the main portion of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $21.12. In the final part, the cost would add $2.74 and close the year at $23.86, which is plus 32% to the ongoing cost. Torrential slide expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $23.86 to $56.71, which is up 138%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $23.86, then take off to $28.05 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $30.57. That implies plus 69% from today. Torrential slide expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the torrential slide cost would ascend from $56.71 to $71.44, which is plus 26%. Torrential slide will begin 2030 at $56.71, then take off to $60.11 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $60.63. It is about plus 236% from today. 2023 torrential slide value forecast. 2023 to 2024 torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $19.64. So the cost expanded by 81% from the outset of the year. The determined torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $24.90, and the year-to-year change plus 130%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 27%. In 2023, we hope to see $22.44 per one torrential slide. In the primary portion of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $25.08. In the last part, the cost would add $3.26 and close the year at $28.34, which is plus 44% to the ongoing cost. Torrential slide expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $28.34 to $67.36, which is up 138%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $28.34, then, at that point, take off to $33.32 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $36.32. That implies plus 85% from today. Torrential slide expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the torrential slide cost would ascend from $67.36 to $84.86, which is plus 26%. Torrential slide will begin 2030 at $67.36, then, at that point, take off to $71.40 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $72.02. It is about plus 267% from today. 2023 torrential slide value forecast. 2023 to 2024 torrential slide cost began in 2023 at $10.84. Today, torrential slide exchanged at $16.53. So the cost expanded by 52% from the start of the year. The estimated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2023 is $22.76. And the year-to-year change plus 110%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 38%. In 2023, we hope to see $21.51 per one torrential slide. In the primary portion of 2024, the torrential slide cost will move to $24.32. In the last part, the cost would lose $2.44 and close the year at $21.88, which is plus 32% to the ongoing cost. Torrential slide expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Torrential slide cost would move from $21.88 to $45.65, which is up 109%. Torrential slide will begin 2025 at $21.88, then, at that point, take off to $25.82 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at